So we Chantel doesn't want to talk on this, but still. Anyway, we've come over just across from the transit, and we've got a Vauxhall Movano, and this is Adam's and Chantel's, and they're going to show us around. Or Adam's going to show us around.
I'll show you around. Nice to meet everybody. Right, this is our awning. £50 bargain.
Yeah, you were saying this is a bargain awning.
50 quid.
50
and
quid.
It's a drive away one as well.
Yeah.
So it's even better.
And they're just so ideal, just gives you that extra cover and storage space, don't they?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It's better for cooking outside rather than inside.
Yes.
And it gets very warm as well.
Yeah.
So how come it was such a bargain? Is it
50 quid off Facebook.
Facebook.
Can't beat Facebook for buying stuff.
Yeah.
Get all your camping stuff on Facebook, cheap as chips.
Yeah.
Right, let's bring you into the van. We've got the 240 hookup.
Yeah.
That gives you power to the van with some nice fancy stickers on the van.
And at the moment you're running that off a generator that you've got, yeah.
So in here now we've got a pop-up socket with Bluetooth. Power supply to that as well. Can't show you working because I've just snapped my cord on my generator, so I've got to fix that.
Yeah.
We've got a working tap, I can show you that.
Yeah.
And underneath there we've got a little, so you can do your cookie, boil your kettle, do eggs and bacon. And then underneath here we've got a 5 kilowatt heater, Chinese heater.
Oh yeah.
Never had any problems with it, works fine. Here you've got a little light, so when you open the door it lights up so you can see anything at night.
On pressure switches?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, with soft close.
Yeah.
And then we've got a microwave, as you can see. 2-year-old and it's like brand new. Cleanest microwave on the campsite. And then under here, what we have underneath here is your bits and bobs, your coffee, your sugar, cup of soups, plates. Fishing bits of fishing gear. And up here we have a little bit here that we've just covered up. And what we've done here is we put LED lights in with a switch on, because when you open your sliding door the light comes on, so don't drain your battery. Put a little switch in. Yeah. That's an handy little tip. These little lights up here were originally the tube lights. I've took them out, put LED lights in them.
Was that easy to convert?
Very easy.
Because we've got,
anyone gets stuck and wants to come to my house, I'll help them do it.
Because we've got strip lights in the roof of ours.
Dead easy.
I need to look to put LEDs in.
Yeah. What I'll do is I'll show you later.
Yeah.
Get a screwdriver and do it. I'll show you what I've used.
Thank you.
And then that's for the lights there, to bring them on in the back there.
Yeah.
I've even got a beacon on in case I break down. I can flash my lights in the middle of nowhere and nobody will crash into me. Got a nice telly that does DVD, satellite, all that. That's Avtex, one of the expensive ones, like 400 quid, but they're worth the money. Yeah. And we've got a little bit of storage up here that we chuck our knickknacks in, and the kitchen sink and Christmas fairy lights and stuff like that. And we've even got one of your stickers up there, we put it there.
Oh well, all the best stickers.
All the best stickers, yeah.
And it's a fixed bed.
It's a fixed bed.
But with a twist, you said.
With a twist, I'll show you in a minute. And then underneath here, we've got, if you want these, you can get them from IKEA, the full lot, 25 quid. And what you do is, it's a bin, you open it up, you've got 2 handles. It should, I theory, lift out. There you go. Yeah. Take that bit out first and it lifts out. And then you've got a nice bin, you can put it outside. Easy access. All you do is make sure you take that off first, where I didn't. You get instruction with it how to bolt it down. I kept them just to show people because I knew you were going to be filming. And the soft close. So all you do is put that back down and go like that. Only 25 quid from IKEA, can't go wrong.
They're wonderful, aren't they?
Then we have a toilet there.
Yeah.
And then we've got a working little fridge. But I'll be changing that to a Jägermeister fridge. Yeah. Because it lights up and it looks fancy. Because I like my gadget. a nice fixed seating area, nice padding. That only cost me 50 quid off a caravan guy. Yeah. So, and these curtains, if you're thinking of doing these curtains, they're a good investment because they look nice.
They are, they do.
And I think for a set of 6 of them was 157 quid off eBay,
Yeah.
which is to some people a lot of money, and but
it's worth it. You've got to spend some money to get the value and to get the good stuff, haven't you?
Yeah, the pop
With
up.
the tracks as well.
Yeah, with the tracks as
Pop
well.
up socket, they're like 95 quid upwards.
Yeah.
But you get a Bluetooth so that you can connect your phone, play your music, you can charge your phone, you can plug your hairdryer in.
USB on it.
USB, and then what we'll do is we'll come round the back and I'll show you underneath the bed. Oh, and don't forget your flagpole, folks. Always get one of them. The kids love it. Mine's a fish.
A fish.
Right. They have my little solar panel there for charging my battery up, and that's a brilliant little bit of kit. That you can put lights on it. You can charge your phone. At the minute it's charging my phone. It's a Philips one, and once you've charged that fully up, you could charge 3 phones on it, no problem, from dead. They're a brilliant bit of kit then, and it was only 20 odd quid. Right, then we come round the back. I've got some more light switches for in the night. When I turn on there, turn on. I've got a camera at the back for reversing, and then underneath the fixed bed, what I've done is, if you go to IKEA, you can...
Hang on. So, you were saying about a fixed bed?
Underneath here there's a fixed bed that I can take out, and what these are bars from IKEA. You buy them, they're only a tenner each. I've got 4 for the weight, and it's been tested because I put iron gates on when I moved house. And these bars, what they do, if you look there, instructions, they pull out.
Right.
So if you look underneath here, you've got hanging plates like you use for hanging your walls in your kitchens. You just put a load of them on in line, and you pull this bar out, and it fits perfect. It's not hard work. Anyone who's not got any skills with woodwork or stuff like that, it's a simple fix. Plus, if I need to move house like I just did the other week, I took everything out of my van. It took me 10 minutes to empty everything back out of my van, and I put it back in 10 minutes.
And you've got a huge amount of storage space under there.
As you can see, we've got a clothes rail because, you know, you women like to have plenty of clothes.
I'm done hanging nicely.
Well, sort of hanging nicely.
Yeah.
But I've got all that space. As you can see, I just chuck everything in the back. It's a bit of a mess, but I've got to show you a bit of mess to understand camping. And that's it really. We've got curtains up at the back. Just some simple little curtains go across the back like that. Gives you a bit of privacy, even though we've got tinted windows.
Yeah. That's a really good, neat idea.
Yeah.
And so simple as well. For the bed.
Well, I did it because I didn't want to spend a load of money, and it's not because I'm being a tight bugger. It's just because what I wanted to do was I wanted to simplify everything. So if anybody come along and wanted to learn how to build their own van, they could build it on a budget. That's cost me to do all my van inside 500 quid.
You can't go wrong at that.
So anyone wants to challenge me and do one for less than 500 quid, the challenge is on.
Yeah.
And
I think, I mean, we made a frame for our bed. We didn't know anything about these, but it would be much simpler. And it gives you a bit more room because you haven't got the frame in the back
that's what I
as
did.
well.
That's the reason why I did it. And it's such a simple idea. And somebody else off another campervan page who were doing theirs mentioned, said, oh, look at these bars. These could be ideal for using in camping. And I thought, brilliant. I've got my 2-foot new cup there. All I've done is use one of them. Yeah.
That's a similar scenario to us.
The reason being, it's got a trip switch on it and everything, and it hooks up to the 240, even though you can have a trip switch on when you're hook up. Yeah. But you've got that extra safety. Yeah. It's the most important thing when you're putting electrics in a van like 240. That you do it properly, otherwise we have bonfires. And if you come round to here, as you can see, what I've done as well is I've put a Vauxhall Vectra seat in it because the missus has a Vectra car and she loves the seat, so it's got all the doobry bobs in it. And then I've got this seat here which you lift down, put that in as well. That's what
we could do with them. They'd have been ideal, you know.
You can sit there and have your McDonald's breakfast. And then what else I've done as well?
That's your rear view camera.
That's my rear view camera is there on that display there, a bigger screen, because really you're not supposed to have them on when you're driving, are you? So we don't. That one's a webcam type road thing, so if you have a crash you can film it and see who's lost fingers and stuff like that. And my van was originally an airport bus, it had all seats in it, and it was partly converted with a double bunk bed things, and I just ripped it all out and started again. Put a bit of board in it, put a little bit of stickers on it for a bit of finger, tinted the windows.
Yeah. Your diesel heater, is that on a different?
Yeah, I have it on the battery.
Yeah.
So what I do is I have this panel here. You can't see it because it's steamed up a bit.
Yeah.
Solar panel there, and all that does is keep the battery topped up.
And is that on the same diesel tank, or have you got a separate diesel tank?
No, what I've got is a separate tank or something.
Do you use red in there then? Or you can do.
Oh, sorry.
At the end of it, and the shape looks in the thing, so it goes along.
I'll just show you this tank a minute.
So yeah, sure.
In here we have everything I do is an easy access. So there's my diesel tank.
Yeah.
I just fill that up, and then that gets me 90 heater, which is a 5 kilowatt, and it does us. It gets a bit warm, but better to be warm than cold.
And
then
in the awning is your big kitchen as well.
Yeah, the big kitchen. Well, the little kitchen. Right?
Yeah. Lovely.
And that's how we do it.
Well, thank you very much.
No problem, and I hope everybody enjoys what I've done, and if anyone wants any tips or any help, because I'm a cabinet maker, I can help them, and want units making, please come and see Darryl and Keith, and they'll get in touch with me.
Yeah. Lovely.
I know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.